Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our math lesson with me today. Today, before we start our lessons, I want you to prepare your math notebook and pencil. Later you can pause the video and write in your notebook. Today, we are gonna jump to next topic, our section. So, what is our topic today? Today, we are going to be talking about elapsed time. The elapsed time tells us how much time has passed between one event and another event. So, we have a question here. Emily had soccer practice after school today. The green clock shows what time practice began. The yellow clock shows what time it ended. How much time did Emily spend in soccer practice today? So guys, the first thing we need to do is determine what the problem is asking us to solve in this case. We need to solve how much time Emily spent in soccer practice today. The next thing we need to do is determine the time shown on each of the clocks so that we know the start time and the end time. The green clock shows the start time. Practice began at 3 o'clock. So the yellow time shows what time practice ended 6:30. So our start time is 3 o'clock and our end time is 6:30. So we need to find the change of the time between 3 o'clock and 6:30 to know how much time Emily spent in soccer practice. So we can do by using a number line. So if we place 1 hour intervals on the number line, this is the number line. So then we can start at 3 o'clock to jump 4, jump 5, jump 6, okay, and jump 30 minutes. So the next thing we do is we add the number of our end of intervals together. 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 30 minutes. So 3 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours plus 30 minutes equals 3 hours and 30 minutes, or 3.5 hours. So the answer to our question, how much time did Emily spend in soccer practice today? If we start at 3 o'clock and end it at 6:30 is 3 hours and 30 minutes. So our next question is, if I got up at 7:15, and left the house at 8:05. How long did it take me to get washed and dressed to have breakfast? What do you think? What is our answer? So, again, we will use a number line. So, we will start at 7:15. The end it will be 8:05. So, as you see the here clock, let me count it here. 7:15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes until 8 o'clock. So after 8 o'clock, 8:05, we have 5 more minutes. So 45 minutes plus 5 minutes equal to 50 minutes. So our answer is 50 minutes. Now, solve this problem in pairs. If I got home at 17:30 and went to bed at 21:30, how long was I at home before I went to bed? What is your answer? Please write in your notebook. So we have another yummy problem. I had my dinner at 18:05, but I started cooking it 45 minutes before I ate it. What time did I start cooking? What answer did you get? Please do it. I have last question here. It normally takes me 35 minutes to drive to school, but yesterday it took me 3 times as long because of the turtles holding up traffic on the road. How long did it take me to drive to school yesterday? What do you think? What is your answer? Please solve the problem in your notebook. So, what is your task today? The first thing, make up and record 3 problems of your own involving time. The second one, show clear workings and write down the answer clearly. The third one, when you have done this, read them out to your parents to solve and upload it class'ta. Okay, thank you so much for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you next time, kids. Bye bye.